Okay, the first thing you need to do on Wikispaces is create an account. To create an account, go to wikispaces.com. Then click on sign in. I don't have an account. Well, I do, but I'm going to pretend I don't. So I'm going to click create a new Wikispaces account. I'm going to use my Southern ID. Actually, I'll put my name in for my username. Make a wiki? No. Join. They will then send you an email to confirm the address. We will hope the email got there quickly.
You didn't put Southern today.
Oh, tell me I didn't do that. And I'm recording. Next, you go to our website, elementaryLiterature.wikispaces.com. Then you need to join the wiki. To join the wiki, look in the upper left-hand corner where it says you are not a member of this wiki. Join now, dismiss. Click join now. I have now requested a membership. What will then happen is the owner of the wiki, that's me, will then get an email that has to accept your membership. Once you have been added to the wiki, you can then make changes. So if I go back to the home page, the first thing you need to do is add a page. So if I was doing the book, I want to be free, I will click a page. So what I need to do is next to pages and files, there is a plus sign. Click on the plus sign. I want it to be a new page. So I'm going to call the page name by the book. I want to be free. Hit create. Your page has now been made. However, it will not be saved to add some content. The Wikispaces works just like Word or any other thing. You have a what you see is what you get editor. So I can highlight I want to be free and make it bold. I can change its size. I can then center the document. A lot of the text tools are under the T, the style text tool. I can select my font. I can change my alignment. I want it to be centered. Apply style. Now, if I hit save, my page is ready. If you want to return back to a page and keep editing, you hit the edit button. Here, I can add the elements of the book review that are required. And then, when people Google chat you in the middle of a recording, now what you can do is add in the elements. You have the summary of the story. I'm not going to sit here and you guys watch me do all that. But say I want to put in a picture. To do that, I need to go find a picture. I click on the picture. I can save it to my desktop. Now, to insert a picture, you click on this little picture icon that says Insert Images and Files. I then choose to upload a file. My image is now inserted. If I want to change the size, I can use the plus and the minus buttons. I can change the alignment. And that's how you add an image. Next, if you want to add a link, you just hit, highlight the text you would like to link, then you hit the link button. Then you select, you give three choices, an email address, a page or file, or a web address. Page or file is another file within the wiki. We want to go to a web address, so I'll click on web address. I can paste in the address. If I'd like the link to open in a new window, which I usually do prefer, I click new window, add link. If you would like to add a YouTube movie or anything like that, that is done in the widget feature. So I click here on embed widget. And you have lots of choices. Insert code, insert other HTML, insert video. You can click on YouTube and just copy in the embed code. So I'll go to YouTube. No, and I don't want a free HP slate. So we'll grab a related video on Then you click on share, go over to embed, copy that code. That's if you want to put in a video. You paste in that code into that widget, hit save. Then if you hit save, the wiki page. So I have my title, I have my summary, my picture, my link, and my video. Are there any other questions on how to use Wikispaces? So once again, the steps are create an ID, request membership, create a page, put in your information, add a picture, add a link, and I also taught you how to add a video if you so desire. It is not required, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do that.